Magpaparenovate ka ng bahay? Para sa'yo, ang video na to. Talk Talk! Renovation hacks you should know. Hack number 14. Hello, good morning. This is Lee again from Space Creative Solutions. Today, we are going to talk about skirtings. Just like this one. And then, hali kayo. For kitchens and cabinets, we call this one as toe kicks. Okay? Ano nga ba yung purpose ng skirtings, baseboards, or toe kicks? Number one, of course, aesthetic. Bakit? As you can see, nagkakaroon ng clean transition yung wall going to the floor. So, by having baseboards, nagkakaroon ng magandang finish. And at the same time, for other material, hindi lang paint, dahil sa baseboards or skirting, nakoconceal natin yung mga gaps, nagkakaroon tayo ng concealment dun sa mga wirings. So, yung mga maduduming part, nakakatulong siya sa pag-cover. Second reason is for toe kicks. So, napoprotect niya yung walls, even yung mga cabinets, sa dumi. Kasi siya muna yung nag-absorb nung dumi. And third reason is way back before kasi, naka-attend ako ng seminar about sa FDAS. And according dun sa seminar na yon, kapag nagkaroon ng major na sunog or earthquake, di ba, ang instruction sa atin is to duck, cover, and hold. And kung may sunog, alam naman natin na yung air ay nanggagaling sa ilalim. So, paano ka magkakaroon ng exit plan kung masyado ng hazy yung lugar because of usok? So, isa yung mga baseboards or skirtings sa mga pwede mong maging guide para malaman na yung wall na hinahawakan mo ay pintuan na kasi nawala na ng baseboards. If you learned something from this video, kindly like and follow our page. And if you are interested para mag-avail ng even minor or major renovations, kami ang inyong friendly neighborhood contractor. So, if you are interested, if a flash ko na lang sa screen, yung contact details namin. And now, you know.